What's going on, guys? Here is your recap. It is Valentine's Day, February 14th. This was a 11-box mixer, mainly plates and patches. It had Donruss Football, XR Football Spectra contenders, all from 2018. Here is a hit recap for you. Donruss Football, we got a Mike White rookie autograph. Cowboys, Mariota jersey relic. One second here. All right, contenders: McCoy to 175, Billy Price Bengals, Mike McGlinchey Niners. For the Steelers, James Washington to 49 championship ticket, Ryan Nall for the Bears. XR Football, we had a 101 Joe Flacco autograph. XR Football, Kalen Balaj triple patch auto to 49 Dolphins. Josh Rosen to 75 Cardinals. And Giants won the random for this Beckham and DJ Shark. Spectra, Packers won. Packers won this random dual jersey. Packers Lions. This beautiful creamsicle was won by the Jets. It is numbered to 5. Darnold and Allen creamsicle dual patch. We have got Lamar Jackson relic, Julius Peppers base, Joe Mixon die cut, number to 15, Bengals, rookie die cut, creamsicle, Hayden Hurst. That is Duke Johnson relic, Roquan Smith rookie auto for Chicago to 199, Deion Kane rookie, Josh Rosen dual relic, Kenny Galladay, Carlos Hyde to 25. Lathan Vander Esch. I'm sorry, that's Zach Thomas for the Cowboys. I thought that was Vander Esch. Zach Thomas for the Cowboys. Excuse me. Mike White dual relic. Now we're into the plates and patches. We got Dalvin Cook patch. Derrick Henry to 50. Peyton Barber. Sony Michel triple patch auto to 35. Very nice for the Patriots. We have Will Fuller patch. Bradley Chubb RPA to 35. Joey Bosa base. Jalen Smith base. Willie Snead base. Devin McCourty base. Nelson Aguilar auto to 40 for the Eagles. Robbie Anderson. Julian Edelman to 10. Jamal Williams for the Packers. Ken Anderson 101 plate for the Bengals. Aaron Donald 101 plate Rams. Nick Foles 101 plate Eagles. Derek Carr 101 plate Raiders. Will Dissly base. 101 printing plate autograph Chargers. LaDainian Tomlinson. Deshaun Watson patch. Drew Brees patch to 55. Dual patch Carson Wentz, Zach Ertz to 85. Clay Matthews to 10. Samuels to 55, triple patch. 1 of 35, Christian McCaffrey auto. Cooper Kupp 101 plate. Kirk Cousins 101. Tom Brady 101, Patriots. Triple patch for the Cowboys, Elliott, Prescott, and Gallup. Eric Berry to 65, autograph. Allen Hurns, Peyton Barber again, and Odell Beckham. 2 more booms for the night. This beautiful on-card autograph of Aaron Rodgers, number to 25. Beautiful card. On card to 25 and 101 Superfractor for the Bucks. Ronald Jones. Beautiful card. If that guy ever gets a shot, look out. 101. We had 800 points. That was won by the Chicago Bears and Mr. Slew. 800 points going to Joe. And that is it. That's your recap. February 14th, Valentine's Day. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Everybody have a wonderful night.